Hello humans! Welcome to the
worst show ever conceived
by a non-human brain. Today we will continue to develop the character I redesigned in the last video, where I tried to better an old concept for a character I used for some comic strips in the past. So without further ado, let's move on. I'm Artificial Marvin and you're watching The Surface.
A little disclaimer to begin.
This is the first time I make a human character in 3D, so
Please
don't expect perfection. Like every video in this channel, what I'll do is to challenge myself doing things I usually don't do. Today I don't need to do a lot of research for the mood, style and color, because I already established them when I actually designed the character in the last video. The references I will actually need will be a huge amount of anatomy details, to be sure not to make too many mistakes during the modeling. The idea is to recreate my character in 3D, modeling it from scratch. What I want to achieve is a 3D character that feels a 2D drawing, a sort of cel shading, as a pro would say. Okay, let's begin modeling. I think I have finished the head. At least this is the best I can do for now. And I kinda like it. I'm still a little uncertain about how to render the eyes and the mouth of this character. Anyway, let's move on the hair. I have absolutely no idea how to sculpt it. I screwed up. Clearly, my approach wasn't working properly. I need to think about another solution. Okay, I think this method works better for modeling hair, but I'm hating this process, so I switched to model the body, leaving open the hair problem. As usual, at first I started blocking the basic shapes of Marvin. It's time to stay strong and continue where I have left that bloody hair. And it's been a long, tedious job. Maybe I should have filled the base to make some volume, because now I had to fill that missing volume lock after lock. Anyway, this result isn't that bad. I refined them, trying to make them seem more natural. At this moment, I only drew the facial features on the geometry, but I'm still not sure on how to animate them. And back again to modeling the body. Starting from the torso, I tried to add more details, following at the same time my design references as guides. During this process, I found out that the proportion I gave to the character were a little bit skewed, so I had to make the arms a little bit shorter. The hands gave me some troubles. Again, I used a lot of anatomy references to well understand this complex shape. When I finally achieved what seemed a good result to me, I noticed that I made it too realistic, and it looked kinda weird in the context. They almost seemed alien hands. So I got back to work, and I tried to simplify these shapes by removing some details. I added some details on the t-shirt. Finally, I refined the shoes, adding seams, wrinkles, and other details. During the final stages, I duplicated the model several times, and I played with these proportions for some last-minute,
stupidly dangerous decisions.
Because I want all my videos to end with an artistic-ish result, after modeling it, I realized a short animation loop in which I showcase my character. I thought it would be a nice touch if I presented the model into a futuristic data visualization, as in every sci-fi movie's cliché. So, this is the final result. What do you think? If you have any comment or suggestion, please write it in the section down below.
Somebody said you sounded like an owl. Ooh. Cannibals like to meet people. I used to be a Velcro salesman, but couldn't stick with it. Two artists had an art contest. It ended in a draw.
If you liked this video, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. Until the next challenge, as always, thank you for watching. Bye humans!